In this video, we will show you how to collect entry fees for your tournaments on Battlefy. The paid entry program is available for any organizer who has organized at least 3 free entry tournaments on Battlefy, and keep in mind this feature is available for both offline and online events. Visit the blog post linked in the video description below and find the application link in that article. The approval process for this application typically takes between 1 and 2 weeks. You'll be alerted via email if you are approved. Once approved, you can create a brand new tournament on Battlefy. Keep in mind that existing tournaments cannot be changed to paid entry. You will have to create a new one. You can give your tournament a name, set the time and date, and move on. Once you reach the settings page of tournament creation, you can toggle on paid entry. From here, you will need to set a dollar amount that you wish to charge. For 1v1 tournaments, all players will need to pay an entry fee. For team-based competitions, only the team captain or the person registering the team for the tournament will have to pay the entry fee. So if you're running a 5v5 tournament and you wish to charge each player $10, you will need to set the entry amount to $50. Once you've finalized your settings, you can begin taking registration. In order to get paid out after the completion of a tournament, email payments@battlefy.com with your payment and amount information. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment on this video. If you are a Battlefy organizer, you can click on the blue bubble in the bottom right-hand corner of any Battlefy page to speak with a live support specialist. For more tutorial videos on how to best use Battlefy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find us on social media on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Battlefy. And as always, feel free to shoot us an email at support@battlefy.com. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.